In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Evernote on your desktop. Evernote is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, notes, and so much more. But one common issue that users can encounter is syncing across devices. In this video, I'll show you a simple step you can take to ensure your Evernote is always up to date. Whether you're working on a phone, tablet, or computer, staying synced up is crucial to having all your important information right at your fingertips. Let's say you're using Evernote on your desktop, and you've noticed that some recent changes aren't appearing as expected. A quick and effective method to solve this is to refresh the application. This can be done easily with a quick keyboard shortcut. All you need to do is press Ctrl and R at the same time. This simple command is especially helpful because it reloads the entire application view and triggers a manual sync with Evernote servers. By refreshing, you ensure that any updates you've made, like new notes or edits, are promptly reflected in your account. It's important to keep in mind that Evernote, like any app that relies on the internet, can sometimes experience minor hiccups with connectivity. By allowing it to refresh, you force it to check for any updates it might have missed during a momentary connection lapse. And the great thing is, you don't need to be a tech wizard to do this. Just this keyboard shortcut and you're all set. Beyond this simple refresh, remember that Evernote typically syncs automatically at regular intervals. However, if you're multitasking across different devices, manually triggering a sync like this can quickly reassure you that everything is in line. This can be particularly useful when you're working under a deadline or collaborating with a team and you need your notes to be consistently accessible. Also, it's worth mentioning that if you continue to experience syncing issues even after refreshing, you might want to check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can often be the root of syncing delays. In summary, while Evernote is generally quite reliable at keeping everything in sync, knowing how to manually refresh your desktop app can be an invaluable little trick. It puts you in control and ensures that your notes and ideas are always up to date. So the next time you find your notes aren't showing up as they should, remember this handy tip. Giving your app a quick refresh might just do the trick, and you'll be back on track in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tip helpful in managing your notes more efficiently on Evernote.